How's it going, everybody? Josh and
John
with Dedicated Health. And we got even more toys to play with now. We got a belt squat by Titan Fitness. So the belt squat is a very useful tool if you're someone who loves to do squats and wants to build up them legs, but have some back issues, because it takes all the compression of a regular barbell squat away. We have two different size belts. This one that's a little bit thinner is for smaller build people, and this one that's thicker is for larger build people. So this would be for me, this would be for that Hulk over there. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the belt squat portion, but there's a lot more you can do with this machine that you can that he's going to demonstrate here in a minute. So first off, let's walk you through how to set up the belt squat. What you would do is load up the plates on the side here. I'm not really going to use too many plates just to demonstrate how to do it. So you just take the plates, slide them on here like so, and boom. Now, the weight you use for this doesn't really correlate to a regular squat too well. So make sure you play around with it a little bit before you go too heavy, because it does take some getting used to. But what you want to do whenever you're setting up the belt squat is you want to make sure that this lever is in place, so this isn't going to fall on you. If you don't mind coming around here to look at this side, there's a carabiner already on here, so you don't actually have to take this off. It can stay on here. What you want to do is get down. I sort of just kneel down and position the carabiner to a point where you can just slide these on just like this. Okay, and then from there, you just get in a squat position. This bar right here you can use for safety and to stabilize yourself. You just want to stand up and pull this bar back. That releases the arms here, so you can go down into a squat, just like so. And you can even hang on to this for stability if you want to, or you can let go to work on the small stabilizer muscles. But it mimics the same motion as a regular squat, but takes all the pressure off your spine. And when you're done, just move this bar forward, lower back down, lower down enough where there's no longer weight on the belt, and unclip yourself. Just like so. So that's how you do the belt squat version, but you can actually use this machine for some decent rowage as well, which John will be showing you now.
Okay, so we're gonna take these off because I have no idea how much weight to do on this. We've not done it yet. We will go ahead and put some, what do you think, 35s?
Sure, let's try 35.
Try some 35s. You got one? Okay. Now with these, you'll need an extra carabiner because otherwise your handles aren't gonna be straight. But you just attach it the same way that Josh just showed you with magic. Now you might want to have someone here with you to move the bar out of your way once you go, unless it doesn't go too low, depending on your height.
Now you can do this with either the V handle that he's using now, or you can even use one of the lat pull down bars to get kind of a wide row if you'd like. And if you're more on the shorter side, you can actually take this little stop out of here. So if you look right here, there's a little stop. This prevents this from hitting the platform, but if you have to, you can actually take this out. Just make sure if you take this one out, you put it back, so whenever someone else is using it, they don't slam it onto the platform. But that pretty much sums up the belt squat. It's a really good, useful piece of equipment. I know a lot of people was asking for it, and we really like being able to get you guys what you wanted. If you have any other questions about this, feel free to come and get me or John or Shane. Anyone will be happy to help you out. If there's anything else you'd like to see in this gym, just leave a comment below and we'll try to hook you up. Please hit the subscribe button because we'll be posting videos every Sunday at noon. And until next time, stay dedicated.